Hi there, I'm going to tell you a little bit about turn2me.ie and the online mental health support we have available for adults and young people over 12 years of age. So who we are, Turn2me are an Irish-based mental health charity who provide accessible professional online mental health services to adults and young people over 12 years of age. So what we do is we take a stepped care approach to mental health support. We have three different services and you can engage with any or all three of these services, which are as follows. So we have a 24/7 moderated peer support network, which is our thought catcher service. We have group support online delivered via online instant chat groups, and then we have counselling online as well. And I will go into all three of these services in more detail shortly. So just first of all, how we can help you. Just to be clear, there's no problem too big or too small. People turn to us for all kinds of reasons, but some of the primary issues that come up include family and relationship issues, anxiety, worry, and panic, depression and sadness, issues around work and college, and then discussions around getting support and managing one's own self care. So even if you've just had a really stressful day at work or you've had an argument with a friend, we would encourage you to engage with any or all three of our services, depending on what your needs are. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of our website to show you how easy it is to navigate and then also to give some more details on the services. So if you haven't been to here before, you go to turn2me.ie and that'll bring you to this homepage here. And the first thing you need to do is to create an account, and it's free to do so. So you click on create free account over here on the left hand side. So the first thing we ask for is an anonymous username. So you can't identify yourself in your username. We need your date of birth, your email address, your first and last name, and then the password to keep the site secure. And just to be clear, other site users can only see your username. They won't see any of the other information here. So I've already created an account for an adult 18 plus. So I'm going to log in with this account and it's going to bring me straight to the dashboard, which has our thought catcher service. So thought catcher is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is clinically moderated, which means we have staff online at all times to keep this space safe for everyone. Thought catcher gives you two options. So you can choose to post your thought publicly if you want other site users to engage and respond to you, or you can keep your thought private if you want to keep it as an online diary. And in this case, only staff can see the thoughts. So I'm logged into the adult site, as I mentioned. So these are adults 18 plus. But when you gave your date of birth, if you're aged between 12 and 17, it will bring you to the 12 to 17-year-old side of the website, and you will only see thoughts posted by people in that age group. So if you wanted to post a new thought on Thought Catcher, you can click here, or you can click up here on the top right-hand side. You get a pop-up box where you can select your emotion, which is great, good, okay, bad, or terrible. You write down what the thought was, what was the situation, and how you responded. And it's down here then you can choose to make the thought public if you want other site users to engage, or private if you want to keep it as a diary, okay? So that's the 24/7 clinically moderated thought catcher service. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see another service, which is our counselling online. And basically, we provide a private and confidential online counselling services to our members, provided in the format of primarily one-to-one sessions via video or text chats, with emails or phone calls coming soon. So counselling sessions are offered to adults 18 plus, couples, and young people aged 12 to 17. So all Irish residents are entitled to 6 free one-to-one sessions or 8 free sessions if you're applying for the Young People Counselling Programme. So here's where you select the type of session you want. There's a one-to-one session for an adult. If you're looking for a session for your child, both you and your child have to have a Turn2me account, and you would request a session on your side as a parent. And then we have the couples counselling sessions here. So again, both partners within the couple need to have an account in order to take part in the couples counselling sessions. And here's a step-by-step guide up here. So it's the application type, you select the time, applicant information, counselling history, and summary. And once all of that is complete, you can request your session, okay? The other service we have then here is a join a support group option. So these are the online instant chat groups. So they're live groups and they're facilitated by a trained professional counsellor. So there's a number of different options available to you. So you have feeling stressed, suicidal thoughts and feelings, feeling down, anxiety groups. We also have a number of groups targeting parents. So there's dads groups and mums groups, but then you also have parenting 5 to 12, parenting adolescents, and parenting preschool age children. And furthermore, we have newly launched frontline worker support groups. So if you are a member working for the frontline, so we have specific groups for you. So there's teachers groups, nurses groups, and GPs groups. But we also have topic related groups such as burnout, coping with COVID, creating healthier habits or coping mechanisms, okay? So there's a lot, as you can see, if you go to the all groups tab, you can see there is a large variety of groups available to you. If you are aged 12 to 17, you won't see the same groups here, but you will have separate groups. They're broken down into two different age categories. So there's 12 to 15-year-olds, and then there's 16 and 17-year-olds. And you will be able to sign up to those groups via the same kind of tab here when you're logged into the website, okay? So now if I wanted to sign up to a group, so the Feeling Stressed group today at 3, I just click on the group and I click here to register, and it's as simple as that. Now you can only register for one group a week. So I'm going to close that down. So if I've already registered for that group and I want to attend a different group, or I just can't attend a group because I have something else on, I go to My Bookings tab over here on the right-hand side, and this will bring up all of my upcoming sessions. So I just click on the support group here, and I would click to deregister from it if I can no longer attend, okay? So that was a quick tour there. There's a counselling online, the instant chat live support groups, and then if I go back to the dashboard, you will see the thought catcher. It's 24/7 service. And just one further thing to show you, if you go to the About Us section, we have a news and blog section as well. There's loads of different topics available here on the left-hand side. We have some targeted at adults, young people, parents, and couples, but then a lot of the articles are very topic driven. And these are updated regularly as well. But you can have a look at this as well without being a member of the site. So do feel free to come over and have a browse around, okay? Now, if you have any questions on anything, or if there's anything I didn't cover, please feel free to email us on info@turn2me.org, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So that's info@turn2me.org. Thank you.